Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Banktivity budgeting software. Banktivity is budgeting software designed to help individuals and small businesses manage their finances. Its main purpose is to track income and expenses, create budgets, and provide insights into spending habits. Key features include account aggregation, customizable budgeting categories, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on pricing and features. Banktivity positions itself as a powerful yet user-friendly alternative to more complex accounting software. They emphasize ease of use and robust reporting capabilities. Pricing is transparent, with different license options available. The software uses a straightforward approach to financial management, relying on clear visual representations of data. Availability is via download from their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Banktivity. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The setup process took less than 15 minutes, and the initial onboarding guided me through connecting my various bank accounts. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear visual representation of my income and expenses across different categories. I found the reporting features incredibly helpful, especially the ability to generate custom reports on my spending habits. The software performed flawlessly. It was fast and reliable throughout my testing period. I had a quick question about connecting a specific type of account, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. It gave me a clear overview of my financial situation at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable budgeting categories. It allowed me to tailor the software precisely to my needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to use it only on my desktop. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but the learning curve was manageable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Banktivity. It's a powerful tool that's made managing my finances significantly easier. That's my overview of Banktivity budgeting software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.